Hello, science fans, and welcome back to your weekly dose of cosmic updates. We've got some thrilling news from space, some drama aboard the Tiangong Space Station, and a bombshell declaration from one of the godfathers of AI. First up, the comet everyone's talking about, 3I ATLAS. Following the end of the US government shutdown, NASA is preparing to release some of the best quality images we've ever seen of this interstellar visitor. These new pictures come from the HiRISE camera on the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter and could be much sharper than what we've seen from Hubble. This is a big deal because 3I Atlas isn't your average comet. It's the third interstellar object ever discovered in our solar system, meaning it's a traveler from another star system in our Milky Way galaxy. So what makes this comet so special? For starters, it's huge, about 7 miles wide, roughly the size of Manhattan. It's also ancient, possibly over 7 billion years old. That's more than 3 billion years older than our own sun. And it's incredibly fast, zipping through our cosmic neighborhood at a blistering 130,000 miles per hour. This comet has been transformed by billions of years of exposure to cosmic rays, giving it some very peculiar properties. It recently swung past the sun and is now heading for its closest approach to Earth on December 19th. Of course, with any mysterious object from deep space, the alien theories are flying. Some have speculated that its strange chemical makeup and the faint radio signals it emits, which are typical for all comets, by the way, could mean it's an alien probe. While that's almost certainly not the case, astronomers are incredibly excited. Studying 3I ATLAS could give us unprecedented insights into the conditions around other stars and the early days of our galaxy, so get ready for some truly spectacular new images. In other space news, 3 Chinese astronauts are currently stuck on the Tiangong Space Station after the Shenzhou 20 crew returned to Earth. It was discovered that their return capsule was damaged, leaving the Shenzhou 21 crew without a safe ride home. Officials are now scrambling to prepare an uncrewed replacement craft ahead of schedule to bring them back. We'll be keeping a close eye on this developing situation. And finally, back here on Earth, a major figure in the world of artificial intelligence has dropped a controversial take. Yann LeCun, one of the so-called godfathers of AI and a top scientist at Meta, has declared that large language models, the technology behind things like chat, are a dead end for achieving true artificial intelligence. He argues that these models are just mimicking patterns in text, without any real understanding of the world. He believes the future lies in what he calls world models, which could give AI a form of common sense. This is a huge statement that's stirring up a lot of debate in the tech community. That's all for this week's Science Roundup. What do you think about 3I Atlas or the future of AI? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next update. Thanks for watching.